Hey guys, what we got here is a 2020 Toyota Camry panoramic sunroof that and it broke the trim on the back of the panoramic sunroof. And I'm going to try to cut this trim off with the wire tool to see if it's viable to replace it and re-glue it down. It looks like it's urethaned on. Got a little spot there. Pull this old gasket up, make sure you get it under the lip there. The gasket's got to come out. Having to saw it with the wire. And there goes the wire. It's really just glued down with like a foam insulating tape. Not really windshield urethane. Nothing that goes through it. Maybe if you were a little more careful it would come off without being broken, but I'm not so sure. And that's it. So knowing what I know now, this is the underside of the roof. Everywhere there's one of those little indentations. It marks a piece of sticky stuff. And I should have gone through and cut that with some sort of flat knife or tried to fish the wire through there to get it off, and I'd have probably stood a lot better chance of getting it off without damaging it. But you still got to contend with the gaskets around the edge of it that are not really going to cooperate when you start running the wire under it. Also, I managed to get the stationary piece of glass off around the edges. That was really tough. Broke one wire and finished on the second. But it looks like it's got quite a bit of urethane around it.